Assalamu alaikum. Today I teaching you lesson number 2.3. The chapter name is Let's Speak. So today we are going to learn about Let's Speak. Let's speak. Look at the picture and say 2 and 3 lines about them. Doctor, policewoman, conductor, farmer, soldier, chef. Doctor. A doctor has a very important place in our society. Doctors treat sick people and also give proper advice related to health. Doctors treat patients in hospital and clinics. The doctor has nurse and compounders for health. The white coat is a doctor's dress. There are different types of doctors. 1st July is celebrated as Doctor Day in India. Second one, policewoman. The policewoman is a very familiar figure in our society. The policewoman is a faithful public servant. She works for the police department. She wears a smart khaki uniform, khaki cap and black shoes. She puts on a badge on which his name is written. She carries a small thick stick or gun in her hand. She has to perform difficult duties in all seasons. She is well trained in keeping law and order. Third one, conductor. Conductor. We always come across the bus conductor while traveling by a bus. He wears a khaki uniform with a badge on it. A leather bag hangs from one of his shoulders. It is for keeping money. A ticket box made of metal hangs from the other shoulder. He has a punch in his hand. Fourth one, farmer. Farmer. India is a country of village and farmers. Most of its people depend upon agriculture. Farmers are the backbone of our country. They produce the food crops and feed the people. He doesn't care the sun and shower, cold and air. Soldier. SOLDIERS. Soldier. The soldier is a fighter. He fights for his country and people. The soldier may be in the army, navy or air force. He is well trained. He is healthy and strong. The soldier is always ready to defend the country and die for it. Therefore, the soldier is also an important person in our society. He must not be afraid of anything. Sixth one, chef. CHEF. शेफ. शेफ मतलब बावर्ची, खाने बनाने वाला, उसे शेफ कहते हैं. शेफ is a person who cooks food for people. They usually found in hotels, restaurants. It takes too much of hard work to be chef. It also takes too much of dedication to be chef. And this is homework. Write 2-3 lines about them. First, doctor, farmer, soldier. So now we have learned let's speak doctor, farmer, soldier, farmer, chef, policewoman, conductor. Thank you so much for hearing me.